If you are looking for the best automatic espresso machine, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, DeLonghi ESAM 3300 Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine. The built-in burr grinder guarantees freshness every time you brew. It also includes a double boiler, specialized cappuccino system, an auto-off feature, and a 60-ounce water tank. These features give you the luxury of a super auto machine, but the manual steam wand and customization options give you a good amount of flexibility. The only shortcomings we've found with this machine are that the grinder can be a little loud, and it doesn't work as well with dark, oily roasts as it does with medium roasts. Number 2. Jura 15068 IMPRESSA C65 Automatic Coffee Machine. Jura has quite a pedigree when it comes to making outstanding automatic espresso machines. Ask around and people will usually tell you to go with Jura because it is reliable and sturdy. A more specific recommendation would be the Jura IMPRESSA C65 Super Automatic Coffee Maker. Instead of buttons, almost everything is handled via the built-in rotary switch. Look inside and you'll see the grinding cone has a cutting angle which was made to increase coffee making efficiency while still being able to churn out great coffee each time. You get the full flavor and robustness of your beans while remarkably cutting down on grinding time. Number 3. Mr. Coffee BVMC ECMP 1102 Cafe Barista Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. It also features an automatic milk frother, one-touch control panel, adjustable cup tray, and removable reservoirs. In sum, these features make the Cafe Barista simple to operate, easy to clean, and delightfully user-friendly. The complaints we have for the product are the cheaper parts and the weaker espresso. The lower-end parts means this isn't going to last you forever. Because this is an entry-level item, the espresso you brew won't really stand up to really high-end machines. Number 4. Breville BES 990 BSS USC Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. There are many reasons why the Breville Oracle Touch is our top pick. This espresso maker is a workhorse. We tested it based on espresso taste, milk texture quality, and usability. It passed with flying colors. Its highlight is the milk texture quality. This machine is easy to set up and operate. However, it's a portafilter espresso machine, so it's not necessarily hands-free. If you're looking for something hands-off, it may not be for you. Number 5. Gaggia Anima Prestige Automatic Coffee Machine. The Anima has a lot of other notable features, including pre-infusion, a removable brew group, a programmable descaling cycle, energy-saving auto-off, and stainless steel paneling. With this machine, you can expect reliable, impressive results as well as a decent amount of customization. It has a 5-grind setting burr grinder, and the coffee dispenser is adjustable. It also includes 3 temperature settings and programmable brewing options. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.